Alright guys, lesson 14. Now we're going to do some fraction decimal multiplication to express the equivalent. It's kind of the same, but remember what I told you guys last time. When we go from big to small, we multiply, but when we go to small to big, we divide. So small to big, we divide. And basically that's what we're going, but they use multiplication. It really, in my mind, doesn't really matter. So let's just do it. Now, I'm going to do this one together, and then I'm going to do E. These lines kind of confuse me, to be honest. So it says convert quarts to gallons. We know that 4 quarts equals 1 gallon. So if I have 20 quarts, how many gallons is that? Okay, so 20 quarts is 20 equals 20 times 1 quart. Now, it's 1/4 of a gallon. So that would be 20 over 4, because 20 over 1, 20 times 1 is 20, 1 times 4 is 4. And fraction bar is the same as division, so it's 5 gallons. Okay, basically it's this. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. I mean, basically that's your answer. All right. Let's look at this one. All right. So it says convert grams to kilograms. So there's 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. So what we're going to basically do is divide. So we're going to do 6,080 divided by 1,000. And remember your place value chart. So every digit is going to get 3 places over. 1, 2, 3. So it's really 6.80 thousandths kilograms. That's it, all right? And then let's go to the next page. This one's done for you. This is number 2. Here's number 2C. So I figured I'd do one with meters. So we're going centimeters to meters. So 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. So it's basically 378 divided by 100, which is equal to 378 meters. Okay, this is the brightest sentence. The board's length is 3.78 meters. All right. Okay. Flowchart. Bye.